Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our application video for computational mechanics part 1 for University of Duisburg-Essen. In this video, I will show you Duisburg-Essen requirement analysis video in the official website, where we go through and get more information which is not mentioned in that, and we also get to know what are the extra information, what are the course detail, what are the exam regulations once you get an admission, what are the modules that you will be doing, who will be teaching, who are the professors, etc, etc. Then where to apply, and we will also register to that particular application portal. Then we will end the first part. In the second part, we fill in all details and submit the application. This is the plan for 2 parts of video for computational mechanics in applying and University of Duisburg-Essen. And remember, the application is open until January 31st. You have ample amount of time. Then please upload the application. Before starting, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis and also application videos. In the requirement analysis, we just go through the DAAD website, where we get the information in the requirement in the DAAD website for each particular category of education, like mechanical engineering, electrical, computer science, and other subjects. Whenever we do each particular college requirement analysis, we just go through the overview and requirements, get to know what are the documents that you need to have in order to apply for that particular course, when is the deadline, where to apply. This is the content of requirement analysis thingy. Then after having all this, when the application deadline is near and or we are in the application deadline, then we will also show you how to apply step-by-step procedure in application video. This is how our 2 videos will be always connected for each particular course and college. Then upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can always become a YouTube member or contact me via mail. Then we can also negotiate and we can have one-on-one session with you guys. Now, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will be doing our requirement analysis inside official website of Duisburg-Essen, which will be University of Duisburg-Essen. This is the official website. Here you can directly go into studying and study courses. In this study courses, you will get the complete study courses that are there in entire University of Duisburg-Essen. But we are interested in computational mechanics, which will be in C, and here you can just see computational mechanics ISc MSc, which will be our requirement analysis which we did in that. And here we have to understand what are the extra relevant information that they have mentioned, which is not mentioned in that. Like example, course structure was not mentioned in that. So like that, we will do the requirement analysis again, and we will also register for application portal. Then we will end the first part. In the nutshell, we already talked. Study location is Campus Duisburg, where you will study, and beginning of semester is both in winter and summer semester. Duration is 4 semester. Graduation is Master of Science in Computational Mechanics MSc. Then it is an open admission. Please note any admission requirements. So open admission is nothing but, as I told you, people who will fulfill the requirements, and everyone will get an admission. And people who are not fulfilling also, if their marks is good and if they have a very good profile, if they have B1 or A2 when they are applying for Germany, a German course or bilingual, then they will get a conditional admit for this particular course, and you have to come. You can get a visa with conditional admit, come here, finish the condition that you had, like finishing your German, then you can start studying here in university. And study information, you can directly click on examination regulation, where you can also check how the ECTS is converted, what are the maximum number of attempt that I can give for one particular subject, and how much one subject is valued, and after how much of attempt is failed, then you will be failed entirely from a degree, and like that. So yeah, this is the things that I suggest you guys to look for when you get an admission. But yeah, so here you can just see the special goal of master degree programs in ISc is to prepare graduate for global job market and research area development international context. So the first thing would be our computational mechanics. The use of computer aided strategies to solve the practical oriented program has increased rapidly in recent decades. That's the reason computational mechanics degree provides and enables graduate responsible apply for expand to complex computer aided calculation method with a sound theoretical knowledge. To this end, and the modeling must be interrupted approximately, the algorithm used must be coherently connected, experiment must be carried out and interrupted correctly. And modeling, linear and non-linear continuous mechanics, algorithms, experiments, uses. So this is how the computational mechanics courses will be there, where it has a computational mechanics, the practical or practice oriented, which has a computer aided strategies to solve the practice oriented problem, then modeling, algorithms, experiments, and use cases. But how your 4-semester degree will be divided? So in here you can just see in first semester you will study with continuous mechanics, tensor calculus, computer languages for engineers, introduction to numerical methods, and this will be a study catalog, wall catalog for 8 credit points. You can do finish in 2 semester. Then in second semester you will do thermodynamics, finite elements method for a foundation, then also one catalog for 35 credits, which will be your, I guess this will be normal elective, and this is 8 credit points is open elective. Then in third semester you will do non-linear finite elements, testing of metallic materials, which will be also core subjects. These are, which is in light blue, which has more credit points of 35, which is all electives, and 8 credit points is open elective, which you can choose from any of the thingy. So all master program consists of 120 credit points. Of these, 90 credit points are subject, compulsory module, elective, and the 30 is your master thesis. And all examination must be taken during the course of study. Finally, master thesis performing time for 6 months must be written. After that, your degree will be issued for you. Then information material, here you can get the computational mechanics degree program information and examination regulation, and joint examination master degree regulation for international students also can be found here. And this is the website of degree program, where you have information about all degree programs, how it is divided, etc. If you want to, then you can also check. You can check for access of studies. So enter requirement, we already taught. You need to have a bachelor degree in ISC study program, all are grade of 3 or better, which will be 3 in German grade. For us, we already saw we should have 2.5 or better for German grade. And people who have done already German bachelor, then they need to have 3 or better. Equivalent degree from academic foreign university also averaging 3.0 or better. So yeah, this is again a mismatch. In that we found out that it should be 2.5 and above. Here it says 3. So maybe yeah, in between, if you're 3 and 2.5, then you will get an admission, no need to worry. Then if during the bachelor degree there should be a change of fields in ISC study program, the examination board may combine admission from master degree program with requirements to provide proof of certain language knowledge by master thesis register. Like say example, after getting an admission, they think like, okay, you have got a good marks, good course and everything, but you have missed 2 or 3 basic module that you should have finished in bachelor. So if they tell that, then you need to finish those subjects before you do your master thesis, then it will be fine. So you can also check for the admission requirements for all master degree programs here, or the other things. But we already know about this. We need to have IELTS B2, German B2 with a degree of 2.5 or 3 better of German degree. Then admission, so this will be the enrollment department, and there is also a video link for enrollment procedure. If after getting an admission, you can also check for this particular link where latest announcements are there. You will have also have a video tutorial on online enrollment, which you can do. And for national and international people, so prospective students from non-EU, which are us, can apply from 1st May to 31st 7 for winter semester, and 1st November to 31st January for summer semester via application portal of University of Duisburg-Essen of this international application portal. So we will just go there and apply. But yeah, examination board's chairman will be this guy, and deputy chairman is this. So you can usually also search for these guys' name in IEEE Explorer if you can get any of the papers, and you can check okay if they are working on this particular topics and other things. As I told you, another is language requirements. You need to have a B2 in English and B2 is German. Please make sure that you have this, because that has a B2 requirement of your German. Then mandatory internship is not there. Career opportunity, after finishing your degree, you will be landing in these many career opportunities, these many fields. You can just go through it. Then general student advisory, student counseling people can be found here. If you have any exam related questions also, you can contact via their contact page. Fill in your contact, then they will also reply you within time. After all this, you can click on to application. So once you clicked on application, here are the four places where you can apply. So applicant with German EU citizenship, which are not us. You have a German certificate, no. And you have foreign countries within EU, no. We are foreign countries outside EU. That's the reason here we are there, and we can directly go into information page, or we can directly click on application. So once you click on application, here they say you need to first start application. After application you will get an admission, then you will do enrollment, which is the normal thing. So in master application, this is the master degree program list we already go through, and UDC application portal is us, which we have to use now to apply. But they say deadline for NC degrees is 1 May to 15 June, and open admission degree is from 31st 7, and for some semester it is until 15 December and 31st January. And our course computational engineering was open admission, that's the reason we have time till 31st January. Then we can click on application portal of UDE. So this is the application portal that they are using in order to apply for this particular master degree program. Here, if you have already user account password, then please click on it. Otherwise, you can click on application for master degree. Then you have to do the register. So first you can click at register again, not yet I have an account. Then we need to fill in all information. Then we click on register. So I'll take a moment and fill in all details. Then I will show you how to fill in all mandatory details and register. So now I took a moment and filled in all information regarding my personal details of what is your surname, full name, and your Geburtstag datum, Geburtstag place, and citizenship. Then after also you have to fill in your contact details, country where you have your place now in India, and where are you living, other things, and please give in your home address, and you give your email address, password. Then you have to fill the security question. Then you can click on register. Once you clicked on register, then they say, okay, we have sent you a welcome email for your email, registered email. So we will just log into that email and check what is the email that they have sent. And here you can just see we have got an email from University Duisburg-Essen, and this is the username, and this is the password that we have chose, or we can directly click on this link to activate our account. So we are inside the application procedure website, and here we can use our username, and password is what we have chosen, and please don't forget your password that you have chosen. If not, you have to again do the forgot password and do it. Then we can click on save. And we can start here our application starting. So here usually you can also translate if you don't want, but Bewerbung is always the application. So once you click on Bewerbung starten, you can click on Bewerbung here, and we will be applying for master degree, and the study is our computational mechanics ISc. Then for first semester, then you can click on further. Then in second part I will fill in all information about this particular subject, how the application looks like, what are the information that I have to fill, then what are the documents that you need to upload, and finishing the application. So everything will be covered in second part. So yeah, stay tuned for second part where I show everything, upload documents, and also submit the application. So see you in second part. Until then, take care. Bye bye.